Top 7 Superfoods for Diabetics. 1. Broccoli. Similar to kale, cauliflower, and other cruciferous vegetables, broccoli is loaded with antioxidants. Broccoli is also rich in vitamins A and C. Moreover, it is a high-fiber food yet very filling. Broccoli is great for people who are trying to lose weight and control diabetes. Coronary illness is the main cause of death in individuals with diabetes, so this security could be a lifeline. 2. Fish. A fish-rich eating routine can help decrease your danger of developing health issues, particularly stroke, as a consequence of your diabetes. A huge number of studies demonstrate that individuals with the most elevated blood levels of omega-3 unsaturated fats have fewer chances of developing diabetes. Individuals who ate heated, cooked, or steamed fish reduced their chances of a stroke by 3%, as reported in a 2010 Emory University study. Eating fish twice a week has far-reaching benefits. 3. Olive oil. Taking after a Mediterranean-style diet rich in olive oil lessens the danger of type 2 diabetes by as much as 50%, contrasted with an eating routine low in fat, as per a late Spanish study. Olive oil is also rich in cancer-preventing agents, supplements that protect cells from harm and coronary illness. 4. Spinach. Spinach is one of the numerous greens that appears to drop the danger of developing diabetes. Individuals who expend more than one serving a day of spinach and other greens reduced their danger by 14%, contrasted with individuals who ate under a half of serving every day, discovered one British study. Spinach is rich in vitamin K, alongside a few minerals including magnesium, folate, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Spinach is also a rich source of calcium. 5. Sweet potatoes. When it comes to diabetes-friendly foods, sweet potatoes are better than white potatoes. Add sweet potatoes into your diet to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Sweet potatoes are also high in fiber, vitamin A and C. They are healthy and keep you full. Eat them boiled or baked, they taste great. 6. Cinnamon. This delectable spice helps reduce the bad cholesterol and is also diabetes-friendly. Cinnamon is rich in chromium, a mineral that boosts the impacts of insulin. It's likewise stacked with polyphenols, cell reinforcements that get together all the free radicals in your blood to protect you from diabetes and coronary illness. 7. Oatmeal. One of the best breakfast options for people with diabetes, oatmeal helps control the blood sugar levels. Choose oats with no added sugar or preservatives. Cook oats in low-fat milk for a creamier texture. You can also add toppings such as sliced bananas and nuts for a filling and flavorful breakfast. Add these superfoods into your diabetes diet and keep your glucose in control. Also, consult your doctor for any diet adjustments.